I'll give you the real clap then.
It's going, so we're all good now.